What is a cut list? A cut list is basically just a list of all of the lengths of wood you're going to need for your project. The list shows you the length required for each length of wood. You'll work your way down the list, cutting each length of wood at a time to the required measurement. This allows you to have a quick overview of all the timber needed, so you can work out the total amount of meterage that you'll need to go and buy from the timber merchant. It's very common that each project you will have a load of offcuts that can't be used. When you order your timber, you'll normally need to add on an extra 10 to 20% of the total length needed as excess offcuts. That's because timber is normally sold at a certain length. So the standard size lengths are normally 1.8 metres, 2.4 metres, 3 metres, 3.6 metres, 4.2 metres, 4.8 metres and 6 metres. So if you need any lengths of wood that are less than those set sizes, you still need to buy the length, and then when you cut your length of wood for your project, the pieces of wood that you have left are your offcuts that won't be able to be used for that project because they'll be too short. For example, if you need 4 1 metre lengths, as the timber merchant sells the pieces of timber at 2.4 metre length, you will have bought 2 lengths of 2.4 metres. When you get them home and you cut them into 1 metre lengths, you'll have a 40 centimetre offcut per length. This is why I say when you go to order your wood from the timber merchant, you need to add on an extra 10 to 20% to be allowed as offcuts. Of course, you still have to factor these offcuts into the pricing when you're buying the wood and working out how much it's going to cost, because without these offcuts you'd never have got your 4 1 metre lengths of wood. The best part is you can keep these 2 40 centimetre pieces of wood and you can use them for your next project.